Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I will show you how to find top charts and trending apps in App Store. On your device, let's open App Store and let's go to Searching tab in the bottom right, which looks like magnifying glass icon. And before you start typing anything, you should scroll a little bit down to see those categories. As you can see here, you have top apps category and top games, for example. Let's go to top apps and you can filter them by free apps and also paid apps at the top. And if you tap all apps in the top right, you can see as well different topics. If I select music section, for example, I will see top free applications specifically for music category. Okay, and the same with top games. Additionally, if that's not enough, you can go to Today section. This is like a home screen of App Store. And if you keep scrolling, you will see section App of the Day or Game of the Day. Let's scroll. Here it is, Game of the Day. So those are the trending applications, and those are the applications that Apple's editors have handpicked by themselves. So yeah, I feel like that's how you can find top charts and trending apps in App Store. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.